Hello and welcome to another episode of how are we gonna call this? 24-hour AI campaign challenge. Today I've chosen Nike and we're doing a Bali campaign. Ouch. Fuck. Can you get out of my way, please? I woke up in stress. I was in a rush to find the idea. And then it hit me. Bali, traffic. Nike sells shoes. Boom. I needed a man. Open legs, walking from car to car, and a sea of vehicles in the background. So I started with some Midjourney generation. Not to brag, but I started at 10:34 and 5 minutes later, I already had my final image. And so I thought, oh, it's still morning. What shall we do now? It was time to make a few more images, different perspective of the same concept. So the first was for a vertical billboard. I needed one for horizontal billboard. And in this case, the idea was to recreate some kind of great East African migration, you know, with a trail of these orange guys walking on top of the vehicles. It's 4:30 and it's now time for the most difficult part of the challenge. Going to the Canggu shortcut to take a shot of the Canggu shortcut as it's crowded, trafficked, and so I can use the billboards there for a mock. Perfect. It was indeed a long day, but we have the shot. Now let's go into Photoshop. Okay, so we imported our thingy, our video into Photoshop. We only shoot 4K, okay? Especially because we have to do a social media post. There's too much. Fourth coffee of the day. Fucking out of focus. All right, we are in Photoshop. The point here for the mock is to make the two things match. Of course, our campaign is contrasted, full of color, well saturated, etc. Our video is shot with wrong white balance, first of all, and it's desaturated and has not a lot of contrast. So first thing I did is to warp a little bit the campaign on its canvas. One important thing is the black point. Then it's about colors, so I have... Anyways, so yeah, that's it. I'm quite happy. I have one that looks a little bit more raw. We can keep this, we can keep the other one. Important thing is that it matches. I'm not wearing my glasses. That's why I was out of character. We also have an horizontal billboard. Here is the mockup. Was pretty straightforward. I don't know what slogan is better. Tell me in the comments. So conclusion, AI, great tool. It's all about the idea. And I'm exhausted. See you in next episode, okay? I have a confession to make. This is the second day. It did indeed take me just a few minutes to generate the first image and then a few more minutes to do all the rest. But the video mock was done today, the second day. So, okay, it's still good, come on.